Watch how I turn this into this, but I'll run into some problems on the way. I'll show you how I use a specific tool to fix it all, but let's go. You want to punch the hole. This is where the problem started from the beginning, but I went straight into annealing the coin. To start the fold process, you have to make sure that you heat the coin properly. Fold the coin with a starter cone and finish with a universal cone. This is what I use. You want to inspect the fold. Check to see if the cone shape, minus any wobble or uneven look. Then you want to check the cut edge for rips or tears. Proceed to the ring stretcher to expand and shape the ring. This is the process after stretching it a couple of sizes. Do you see the wobble there? And the wobble here, you see on the ring stretcher. I had to expand it a couple sizes to remove it, just to give it a certain even look. As you see, the spines from the ring stretcher ruined the inside layer or the inner band of this coin ring. I'm going to remove all the detail from inside to engrave it at a later time. And also remove some silver with a deburring tool. But you see the wobble still exists. It's almost like a wave. So I put it back on the ring stretcher to stretch it out a couple more sizes up into 2 sizes of the desired ring size. And there's still a wobble that is there that you can see. So I use this tool, the Swedish Rat. This is what helped me to give the ring an even look. You push the ring down the Swedish Rat, as you see right here. And this will straighten out the walls and take that wobble that you see here out of the ring. This is what you don't want. The Swedish Rat will help you to straighten up the walls of your ring. And you see, this is the end result. Look at the coin carefully and you'll see that there's no wobble. I removed the detail from the inside of the coin to make sure that I can engrave it at a later time. But you see, I removed all of the unevenness, all from the Swedish Rat die. So now what I want to do is reduce the reeded edge, which will bring more straightness and also reduce the size. A size 7 we have there. And I do the same on the cut edge. And you use the reduction die, and I wanted to bring it down to a 6.5, which was the desired size in the beginning. And as you look, I did it, it's nice and even, all because of the Swedish Rat and also the reduction dies help straighten out the walls and give me the desired size that I was looking for. And now that the ring is where I need it, it's time to engrave the nickname inside of the coin ring. And once I finish that, you want to polish the ring to make sure everything is nice and even, everything is clean, everything is shining and sparkling for the customer. And there you have it, the 1920 rupee turned into a coin ring. I hope you like it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments.